Did you know that some finance YouTubers are making millions of dollars a year? It's true. The world of finance on YouTube is booming, and if you've ever thought about sharing your financial knowledge, now is the time to start. In this video, I am going to break down the exact steps you need to take to build your own high-paying finance channel. From finding your unique angle to cashing in on your expertise, we cover everything you need to know to turn your passion for finance into a serious income stream. So let's get started on building your empire. So why should you start a finance channel on YouTube? Well, let me give you two huge reasons. First, the money. The finance niche has some of the highest RPMs on the entire platform. RPM stands for revenue per mil, which is how much you earn for every 1,000 views. Because advertisers in the finance space, think banks, brokerage firms, and fintech companies, are willing to pay top dollar to reach an audience interested in money. Your ad revenue will be significantly higher than in other niches like entertainment or gaming. We're talking anywhere from $20 to $50 RPM, or even more. The second reason is demand. People are hungry for financial knowledge. They want to learn how to invest, how to save for retirement, how to get out of debt, and how to build wealth. Every single day, millions of people search for these topics on YouTube, looking for trustworthy creators to guide them. This creates a massive engaged audience that is actively seeking out the exact type of content you could be creating. The combination of high advertiser budgets and a massive motivated audience makes finance one of the most lucrative and rewarding niches on YouTube. Now, you might be thinking, the finance space is so crowded. How can I possibly stand out? The secret is to find your micro niche. Instead of just creating a general finance channel, you need to drill down and become the go-to expert in a specific area. Think of it like this. Instead of being a general doctor, you want to be a heart surgeon. People seek out specialists for their specific problems. So, what could your micro niche be? Let's explore some ideas. You could focus on personal budgeting for millennials, helping them navigate student loans and save for a down payment. Or maybe you're passionate about investing for beginners, breaking down complex topics like index funds and ETFs into simple, actionable steps. If you're into the high-risk, high-reward world, you could analyze cryptocurrency trends and review new blockchain projects. For an older audience, you could create a channel all about retirement planning, covering topics like 401ks, IRAs, and social security strategies. Other ideas include real estate investing, dividend investing, credit card points, and miles hacking, or even financial news and market analysis. The key is to pick a topic you're genuinely passionate and knowledgeable about. Your enthusiasm will shine through, and it'll be much easier to create content consistently. Ask yourself, what financial topics do my friends and family always ask me about? What area of finance do I love learning about in my spare time? The answer to those questions is likely where your perfect micro niche lies. Once you've identified it, you can start building a loyal community that sees you as their trusted expert. Once you've found your micro niche, it's time to create high-value content that gets noticed. This is where many new creators go wrong. They just turn on the camera and start talking. To build a successful channel, you need a strategy. This strategy has three key parts: keyword research, video structure, and a consistent schedule. First, keyword research. This is non-negotiable for YouTube success. You need to create content that people are actually searching for. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or even just YouTube search bar autocomplete to find out what questions your target audience is asking. Look for keywords with high search volume but lower competition. For example, instead of a broad topic like how to invest, you could target a more specific keyword like Best Index Funds for Beginners 2024. This is how you get your videos discovered by new viewers through YouTube search and recommendations. Next, you need to structure your videos for engagement. This means hooking your viewers in the first 15 seconds. Start with a bold claim, a surprising statistic, or a relatable problem. Then, clearly state what the video is about and what the viewer will learn. Throughout the video, keep the energy up. Use simple language, visual aids like text on screen or charts, and break down complex information into digestible steps. Remember, your goal is to keep people watching for as long as possible, as audience retention is a huge ranking factor for the YouTube algorithm. Finally, consistency is king. You need to post on a predictable schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content from you. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, pick a schedule you can realistically stick to and don't miss it. This consistency not only builds a habit for your viewers, but also signals to the YouTube algorithm that you 3. A serious creator worth promoting. Planning your content in batches can be a lifesaver here. Spend one day brainstorming ideas, another day scripting, and another day filming. This workflow makes it much easier to stay consistent without burning out. By mastering these 3 elements, EO, structure, and scheduling, you'll be creating high-value content that attracts viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Okay, so you're creating amazing content, and your audience is growing. Now for the exciting part. How do you actually make money? There are multiple income streams you can build, and the most successful finance YouTubers don't rely on just one. Let's break down the main monetization strategies. The first and most obvious one is YouTube AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. As we discussed earlier, finance channels have very high RPMs, so ads placed on your videos can generate a substantial income all on their own. This is your baseline revenue stream that grows as your channel grows. The second strategy is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend financial products or services and earn a commission for every person who signs up through your unique link. Think about the tools you already use and love. It could be a budgeting app, a stock brokerage platform, a high-yield savings account, or a credit card. You can partner with these companies and share your affiliate links in your video descriptions. Since your audience trusts your recommendations, this can become an incredibly lucrative income stream, often surpassing your AdSense revenue. The third method is brand sponsorships. As your channel gains authority, brands will start reaching out to you to feature their products in your videos. This could be a dedicated review or a brief mention in one of your regular uploads. The key here is to only work with brands you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests. A single brand deal on a finance channel can be worth thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars. Finally, the fourth and most scalable strategy is selling your own products or services. This is where you can truly take control of your income. You could create a digital product like a comprehensive budgeting spreadsheet, an ebook on dividend investing, or a full-blown online course on how to trade stocks. You could also offer services like one-on-one financial coaching or a paid membership community. This not only creates a powerful income stream, but also solidifies your status as an expert in the niche. By combining these 4 strategies, you can build a diversified and highly profitable business around your finance YouTube channel. So let's quickly recap the journey to building your own 7-figure finance YouTube channel. It all starts with understanding why this niche is so powerful, high RPMs, and massive audience demand. Then, you need to carve out your space by choosing a specific micro niche where you can become the go-to expert. From there, it's all about execution, creating high-value content that's optimized for search, structured for engagement, and delivered on a consistent schedule. Finally, you unlock your earning potential by layering multiple monetization strategies, from AdSense and affiliate marketing to brand deals and your own digital products. It might seem like a lot, but by taking it one step at a time, you can absolutely build a successful and incredibly rewarding channel. The key is to start. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Pick your niche, film your first video, and get it out there. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to start your journey as a finance creator, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. I'll see you in the next one.